Hello and welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So you go to your Facebook account. On the top right menu, choose create a page. Okay, after clicking on create a page, you want to choose brand or product and choose a category for your page. Let's say, for example, in our case, a website. You want to type your website URL here. Let's say, for example, freedomcourses.info. That will help you get more exposure on search engines, and it will give you backlinks from Facebook. Click on Get Started. First thing, you want to add your website logo here on the profile picture. Just upload it and add it to your profile picture of your page. Then you want to upload a cover image. You can surf this site, pixabay.com. You can find dozens of free images. Just pick a one or search by keyword here and pick your image. Download it to your computer and upload it to Facebook, to your Facebook page. You need also to choose a username for your page. This username is not available, I know that, because I've already put it on my other page. You want to pick something unique. Just put your website name here, for example. That will give you also a good amount of backlinks. And you want to add a description on your Facebook page. That will be the simple description that you've put it here on your blog. Just copy it and paste it here and click save. That's it. Once you created your Facebook page, you want to invite your friends. So click on say all friends and start sending invitation. I don't want to do that because I've already invited all my friends to my Facebook page. That will give you first followers. You want also to add a button for people to visit your website. It will also help you with the traffic generation. So just click add a button and choose learn more and choose learn more option to take the people to your website. You add your website link here and click add a button. That's it. This will help you with the traffic generation and will give you some backlinks from your Facebook page directly to your website. So that's it for this lecture. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to start working with your Twitter account. Twitter is very helpful with the traffic generation, so we will concentrate on that. Thanks for watching and see you soon.